strange car problems that crop up from time to time are annoying and can lead us astray while trying to find a solution. The neutral safety switch, which allows starting in park or neutral, is a frequent offender. You might find yourself stranded in the most awkward locations if this switch fails. Watch the video to find out the different signs of a malfunctioning neutral safety switch and how much it will cost to replace. But before we jump to the signs of a bad switch, let's find out what this device does. What does a neutral safety switch do? As a comprehensive safety precaution, the neutral safety switch keeps a car from starting while it is in gear. Thus, there is no longer any chance that a car could start in gear other than forward or reverse and suddenly spring forward, surprising its driver. A neutral safety switch should enable a car to be driven in any non-directional gear, such as park and neutral, when it is in good working order. A driver's key should not engage when it is cranked outside of these two gears. In short, the neutral safety switch is just one more tool designed to reduce the number of customer injuries. These kinds of devices are also typically made to fail in a functional rather than an inoperability state. Although this keeps cars safe, it can also cause a fair amount of headaches. Bad neutral safety switch symptoms. There are several telltale signs of a malfunctioning neutral safety switch, many of which are fairly common. When trying to diagnose and fix the problem at hand and quickly get your car back in good working order, being able to identify these symptoms can be very helpful. No crank. When there's a problem with the neutral safety switch, a car won't crank at all. Occasionally, while stationary, quickly changing gears will cause the malfunctioning switch to randomly operate once more. Cranks in neutral, but not park. A malfunctioning neutral safety switch frequently results in a car starting in neutral but not in park. A malfunctioning neutral safety switch is nearly always the cause of such symptoms. Cranks in park, but not in neutral. Additionally, a car that starts in park but not in neutral may have a malfunctioning neutral safety switch. This usually provides sufficient proof to support replacing the neutral safety switch. Cranks in any gear. Neutral safety switches can also fail in the functional position, allowing a vehicle to crank regardless of the gear that the transmission is in, though these situations are far less common than the ones listed above. This might pose a risk, so it needs to be replaced right away. Replacement cost. The precise cost of replacing a neutral safety switch varies greatly depending on the car model. This is because there is a large variation in the cost of parts and the time it takes to replace the sensor. But generally speaking, neutral safety switch replacement expenses range from $170 to $250. Though this is extremely uncommon, in some severe circumstances, the cost of such repairs may actually exceed $300.